Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about how to create the active record model. So what exactly it is. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically creating the active record models means like we have to generating a model file which represents a table in your database and then running a migration to create that table. So basically first we create the model, then we have to create the migration to create the table, and then we will run the migration. I will let you know how exactly it is. Okay, so first of all, this is the example how to generate an active record model. So this is example that Rails generate model name, field and the type, field and the type. So this is the example. If I try to just copy this link, we have a product model with the name, price, decimal and the stock quantity. Just copy and just add it over here. Control C, just paste it over here. Okay, so here we have, if I go to the models, okay, so just we have the models, just go over there, app, we have the models, we have nothing, we have. Okay, so when I try to run this, so it will generate the product model and the migrations. Okay, so if I go and just check the db, not db, we have the another one, the migrations. This is not that one. So let's run it first and then check generate. Okay, so here we have the active record invoke db migrate. This is our create products because we have a product, right? App models product.rb that we have created. Then we have a testing one that is also created, test unit cases. Okay, so here we go with the rest of the details is there. This command will generate a migration file in the db migrate directory, which will create the corresponding table in the database. If I go over here db, then it's come up because before it is not there, right? Because it's there in db. I just checking out before it is there or not. db migrates, so the string, decimal and the tz will create that migration file. Okay, next one, the model file. So if I go to the app models, we have products rp. Okay, simple, right? Then the test file is also there in the test models directory. So we have the test also. If I go over here, then we will check the test one where it is. So we have a test, we have this one models, we have this product test rp. Okay, so by running this command, this will happen, this all this thing. Okay, done. I hope you clear on that. Then if I go there is no tables currently in the database, right? Now what we have to do, we have to run the migration. After generating the model, you need to run the migration to create the database table. Rails db migrate. So this is the command what we have to run, this one, Rails db migrate. So if here create products is create table is done. If I go to my database, let's have a look. So we have the adminer. So let's go with the adminer and let's check. I think this not that one. We have not this one. Let's go to the back. I need to go with this, not selecting the db. Okay, just enter it. I think which one we have, the db, the test db or my db might be, not might. Let's check. Okay, so we have this in our YML file. Let's go and just check config environments development. No, I think this is not. I think this is a YML file. Not this is one. Okay, this is database YML. Okay, so this is, I think, the which one database, my app development. So if I go and just check over here my app development, so here we go with this one, products, done. You can see the structure, id, name, price, stock quantity, created and updated at. So this is created. So this is the reason, that's create the table products. So this is how you are able to generate the model and run the migrations and create the tables into your database. Okay, so here you can see that the select schema migration and all this is happening. Okay, so this is how you can do that one. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.